Hello you guys and welcome. So no, this is not February's Boxycharm. This is actually January. Man, this box, well, not this particular box, but one of my boxes got lost. So that box has been on an adventure. I have no idea where it is. So this is actually the second box. So I got the email on January 5th saying that your box is shipped, like check back for tracking or whatnot. And they say like once that email comes out, like wait 15 days or something. Like, I don't know, it could take 15 days. So I waited patiently, and then the next thing I know, it was January 20th, and I was like, still haven't gotten that box. So I ended up emailing them, and they were like, oh my gosh, we're so sorry, we'll send you a new box. So this is the box I got. I don't know if it's the same items. I'm not too thrilled about this box. I will get into it. I already put everything on. I did a little makeup look with it, so you'll see. Yeah, I'm just not, I don't know. There's two items that I will never use. I just kind of wonder what was in my first box, like if it was better stuff. But all right, anywho, let's get into it. So this month, the theme is refresh, and that's what the card looks like today. And so we're gonna kind of go in order because I filmed myself getting ready, so we'll go in order, and then I'll kind of just show you guys as I put everything on. And bear with me, I sound awful. I'm getting over COVID. It's been like 3 weeks now. Still congested, still have headaches, still have a cough. Anyone else like recovering from it and still having annoying symptoms? It's so annoying. I just want them to go away. All right, so the first thing in here, this is from Dermalogica, Revitalize Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. So I am a sucker for anything for the eyes. Anytime you can choose an eye something or other, I always pick it because, I don't know, I just like these. So this says it's a 5-in-1 advanced eye treatment. Address serious dark circles, serious ones. Reduce the look of tired and puffy under eye bags, lift and tighten the appearance of droopy eyelids. So yeah, this one you're supposed to put on your eyelids as well. It's kind of cool. Light diffusing pigments instantly and cleverly conceal any damage. Okay. Soothing cool tip applicator makes the eye area feel rejuvenated and energized. And I will say, I didn't even use the applicator part. I just put it on my hand. So this is what the tube looks like. And then when you take off the cap, it is like a little tip like this. And yeah, I definitely did not use that part, but I'll just squeeze a little bit out so you guys can see it. It just feels really light and moisturizing. I'm curious to see, after continued use, to see if it does what it says it's going to do. So it does say to apply twice a day. So yeah, I put it on last night before bed, and then of course I put it on this morning. And it does say directly over eye area, including under eye, eyelid, brow bone, and side eye areas. So it sounds like it's like gonna cover pretty much everything. Oh, and this thing retails for $59. All right, the next thing that I tried, this is from Laura Geller. This is called Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. Hydrate, moisturizes, and replenishes. And this retails for $32. And it just says it's a 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer. Save time on your beauty regimen. It's got hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and antioxidant botanical ingredients. So it felt really nice. Like, I did put this on before my makeup, and it has no scent either. And it just feels really nice. It's nice and hydrating. It just really feels like a moisturizer. If you're wanting like a primer that's like more grippy, this is not that. But I prefer moisturizing primers just because my skin gets really dry. So I did really like how this felt, and we'll see like how my makeup wears today, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, the next thing in here, this is from Wander Beauty, Wanderous Escape. This is an eyeshadow palette, and I did watch a couple videos, and I feel like pretty much everyone or a lot of people got this palette. It's really pretty. I was excited about this. Let's see what this retails for. This retails for $42. So I was reading about this, and what's unique about this is it says featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. I've never heard of a palette like having hyaluronic acid in it. I don't know, I thought that was kind of different, but I don't know, it sounds kind of cool. So I will warn you guys, I did already use it, so one of the colors got kind of funky. This is what it looks like. I do not know what happened to this one. All I did was put some on my lids and I used my finger, and yeah, I don't know what the heck happened to it. So I tried to kind of wipe it off and it did not do anything. It actually made it worse when I tried to wipe it off, but this is so pretty. I put this pink color on my eyelids, and then I use this like blue teal color underneath, and it's so pretty. I'll do a couple swatches. I didn't try, like this one is Daydream, and then I've got Stargaze. So they do get kind of weird. Those two are super pretty. So there is a little bit of fallout, and they get kind of weird when you use your fingers. So I just swatched these two, and they definitely get kind of weird. Maybe that has something to do with the hyaluronic acid that's in there. I don't know, it just makes it kind of weird. But the matte shades definitely don't do that. It's just like the shimmery, glittery ones. But it is very pretty. It's definitely a palette that you could use every day. And then maybe darken it up for a nighttime look if you wanted to. But they're really pretty, so I do really like this one. All right, so the last two things we're gonna talk about, I'm not excited about these two at all. Like why do they even have the little quiz or whatever that thing's called for you to fill out? Why do they even bother with it when they don't flipping listen? I'm sorry. I just get so annoyed. I have so many of these products at my house that I don't use and they end up getting thrown away. Yeah, okay, so this first one is from Dragon Beauty. Lip job liner and lip pencil sharpener. It is in the ugliest, poopiest brown. I'm sorry. Feisty today. Ended up putting these lip colors on, and I already took them off because I could not stand them. The lipstick might be okay by itself, but this pencil is just not pretty. I'm sorry. It did come with a little pencil sharpener, which is cool. I'll probably get more use out of that. Oh, that's kind of cool. So yeah, it's just a little pencil sharpener, and then it opens like that to empty. That's kind of cool. So I'll probably use this. Yeah, it's just not pretty. Like that's just not a pretty color. So yeah, that's really all I'm gonna say about this because I'm not gonna use it. I don't wanna be rude. So this thing retails for $18, and I will say it's a very big pencil, so you get a lot of product. So if it was a cool color that I liked, it would be awesome because you get a lot of it. At least this is from Context. This is a matte lipstick in the color Tears Are Falling. Yes, my tears are definitely falling because I don't like this color. Sorry, I'm being so dramatic today. This is what the container looks like, and it is a color that I get all the time in my box and I never use. So yeah, it's just, these colors, yeah. Oh, and by the way, this thing is like falling out, kind of. So that's what that looks like. I have so many liquid lips and lipsticks and whatnot from Boxycharm, like in this same color. This retails for $20. I guess this brand is new to Boxy. I mean, if this would have been like in like a pink color or like even like a, like more of like a nude color, I don't like these. And this, I'm sorry, what is that? Looks like baby poop. All right, you guys, so that is my box this month. I'm a little disappointed with it. But I'm happy with the first three products, don't get me wrong. The lip colors annoy me. Like, I love when they send like lighter lip glosses, and I put that in my little like quiz or whatever I filled out. I put that on there. Like, I tell them I don't like dark colors. Like, they just don't get used. It's a waste. Okay, so let's go on and see how much this box is worth. Okay, so it's saying it's worth $171. Meh. Okay. Well, that was my January box. My February box might be coming in like a week or so I'll be showing you guys that one. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What did you guys get? Are you happy with yours? Did anyone else's boxes get lost? All right, you guys, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.